Lady in red. Lady in red. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed my little rendition of Lady in Red. Anyway, I'm coming on here today to talk about red lipstick. Oh my gosh, red lipstick is so iconic from, it dates back, I don't know, years and years and years. But take a red, put on a nice simple look, and you are dressed. You are ready to face the world, conquer everything. So I wanted to come on here and share with you some of my favorite red lipsticks. Starting with the one that I'm wearing now, it's the MAC Liquid Lip, and this is in the color Fashion Legacy. I really like this lip. I love the way it applies. I love the applicator on here because it just fits perfectly. And you can get into the corners. I really love that about it. I'm wearing that, and I paired it with the Morphe and Avani Gregg colored pencil. You see, perfection. I just love it. So that's one of my top favorite red lipsticks. The next one is by Too Faced. This is their Melted Matte Red Lip in Lady Balls. That's the name of it. Oh my goodness, this is another staple that belongs in your collection. If you don't have it, go get it. I will be linking everything down below, so don't worry, I got you covered with that. I really love this red lipstick. It just, again, it highlights and accentuates your lips nicely. You don't have to worry about it cracking and, doing all those weird things that sometimes liquid lipsticks can do. It's a comfortable, when I say a comfortable matte, you can put it on, you can wear it all day. You don't have to worry about, like I said, it transferring and cracking up on your lip, or, like if you're trying to drink something or eat something, you don't have to worry about it smudging all over the place. The next one is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color American Doll. If you don't have this a part of your collection, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go get it now. This is another great staple to have in your collection. It just really, again, defines your lips, makes them really look nice. And, every girl needs a red lip. So, I'm giving you options, choices, price points. I will link, again, like I said, I will link all these lipsticks below. The next two are more on the more affordable side, and this one was actually a collab. These came in a kit together. I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I will link it below. And this is the Morphe and Avani Gregg, and this is in the color Yes Red. This is a matte lipstick as well. Comfortable to wear, really beautiful on the lips. I really enjoy it. The next lip color I have is by Colourpop, and this is in the color On Display. Again, beautiful red lipstick. It is like a more of a satin finish. So, I do have a couple lipsticks, not just red lipsticks, a couple lipsticks, but this is one that I enjoy, and I don't really have issues with it transferring over everything. So I really love this. I love to use this lip cream. This is by Buxom, and this is in the color Tulum-Tini. I really enjoy this one as well. You don't have to worry about it changing the color of your lipstick because it's already in like a red. It's a red kind of gloss. You can wear it on top as a topper, or you could wear it alone. It's just really comfortable to wear, really complimentary, and I think all of these colors work on either full or, not so full lips. So that's one thing that I really enjoy about them because it's red. Everyone loves a classic red. Another thing that I don't have them right before me, but I will put pictures in the video as well as in the description box. I will put the links to them, but some liners that I like to pair with my red lipsticks. Those include Chestnut by MAC. That is, your staple, your dark brown liner. Something comparable is Morphe Vibes or Morphe Trendsetter. That is a beautiful brown color. It really goes well with your red. Another color that I like is either the Night Moth by MAC or the Date Night. It's Date Night, and they have another one called All Night. Those are kind of purplish tones. Beautiful with the red lip. I know a lot of people would think why would I put on purple and red? Like, that's not gonna go together, but it's beautiful, especially during the fall time. It gives you, you know, like a nice fall lip, and you mix it with the red. It is beautiful. So I'm trying to think if there are any others that I primarily wear with my red, but I think that about covers it. I just really enjoy them. Like, I think every girl needs a red lip. Red lips are iconic, and like, I felt like I could share with you guys some that I have in my collection that just really, you know, make a statement, and they really wear well. I just want to be here to give you some tips and, you know, some suggestions or recommendations of colors as far as red, you know, different brands with the red lipsticks that you can use, you know, to make your lips, you know, pop. If you haven't already, take some time to leave a comment and like this video. This really does help out my channel. I do appreciate every like, every comment, every share, every view. It doesn't go unnoticed. Also, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as a part of the family. You know, I want us to grow together. So, you know, I want you to be on this journey with me as, you know, I grow my channel. So, anywho, that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a happy, healthy, safe day for the rest of your day or whenever you're watching this. Again, I have some other videos, so while you're here, take some time, subscribe, check them out, leave some comments. I would love to chat with you in the comments. All right, take care. Bye.